Well, welcome out to Total Pythoneering. If you've been following along, you'll note that we have indeed been creating a fireworks display, and that using Google's AI for Python, of course, where we have been chatting together and sharing our changes or deltas up on GitHub. This is the 8th session we had with AI, and you'll notice that our mission was to simply allow us to press the number 1, is we'll do now, or 2 was we'll do now, or 3 or 4 to toggle between each and every one of our fireworks types. And of course, whenever we selected the 1 through 4, we should toggle to either classic willow, ring, or fountain types, which of course at the moment does not work. To understand why, let's go ahead and go over and take a look at fireworks number 8 that we checked in a mere 2 hours ago to consider once again the fireworks for Delta 8 as well, and taking a look at our change, of course, and our history. We can take a look at 3D, whatever that is, ending in a 99er, to see our usual change, having checked in the file. But note that this version 8 is indeed not working, and we can find out why simply by taking a look at the get shell type function, which takes, of course, our wonderful TK event to see that when we have a key equal to 1 or 2 or 3, that we should change our selected type. Interestingly, even more confusing, of course, we'll note that way down here in line 268 through 272, we are literally binding the keys 1, 2, 3, and 4 to our shell type function so that whenever we click 1, 2, 3, or 4, we'll trigger that event. And by holding down the Alt key and pressing G under idle, we can go down to 268 to see our elements. And then by selecting shell type and either pressing Control F or simply selecting find, we can find our show type to first simply see if we're getting this far, so as to print our selected type and as well as to print our key whenever our event is indeed being activated. Pressing 1, now we see we have classic 1. Whoop, now it's classic 2. Once again, things didn't get detected. So we're actually seeing our event. What we're not seeing is our change. And if we change, for example, our print statement to show the type that key is, running our module will see that unlike AI would expect, we're not getting a string. Of course, we're getting the actual integer value for the key, as is the custom with TKINTER. So our solution is very simple. All we have to do is change 1 through 4 values to be integers rather than strings. And now we'll see when we press 1, of course, will be classic, 2 will give us our willow, and 3 will give us our ring, and 4 our fountain, proving that even in this day of AI, we do indeed need to know Python as well as how to debug it, let alone to use our integrated development environment and software development tools.